Let's be honest, driving a Hyundai Palisade already feels premium. But what if we told you it could be even better? This video isn't just a list of accessories, it's your complete guide to transforming your Palisade into the ultimate blend of comfort, protection, and style. Whether you're commuting through the city, taking long road trips, or just showing off your ride at the next family gathering, these 15 smart upgrades are about to elevate every mile. Oh, and if you spot something you like, don't worry, all the product links are chilling down in the description. Let's dive in. The very first thing you can add is a solid set of all-weather floor mats. Think about it. Muddy boots, spilled coffee, beach sand, or snowy slush. Your standard carpet mats just don't stand a chance. These heavy-duty liners are custom-molded to fit your Palisade like a glove, with raised edges to trap every bit of mess and moisture. Not only do they protect your interior from stains and wear, but they also make cleanup a breeze. Just pull them out, shake or hose them off, and boom, you're back to spotless. A must-have from day one. Next up, let's talk about something that'll keep your ride looking sleek while keeping things practical. The cup holder insert. These little guys slide right in and save your cup holders from gunk and grime. Crumbs, condensation, sticky spills, gone. They're super easy to pull out and rinse off, and they help keep your interior looking neat and organized, especially if you're always sipping something on the go. It's one of those low-key upgrades that you appreciate every single day. And speaking of keeping things tidy, you'll love the trunk mesh cargo net. This net is a total game changer when it comes to managing your gear. Whether you're hauling groceries, beach bags, or sports equipment, this net keeps everything in place. No more items rolling around every time you hit the brakes. It's quick to install, fits snugly, and instantly makes your cargo space way more efficient. By the way, if any of these are catching your eye, don't overthink it. You can grab them using the links in the description below. Now, if you're tired of digging through your center console to find your stuff, the center console organizer tray is here to save your sanity. It slides right into your existing console and creates compartments for everything. Keys, pens, loose change, gum, earbuds, even sunglasses. No more clutter, no more chaos. Everything has its place, and it's all right where you need it. Next up, the side window wind deflectors. Now, this is an upgrade you'll feel immediately. Want to crack your window during a light rain without soaking the seats? These deflectors have got your back. They also reduce wind noise and let in fresh air even when the weather's not ideal. Plus, they look clean and sporty, giving your Palisade a more refined silhouette. Let's not forget about the back seats. The all-weather back seat protector is perfect for families, pet owners, or anyone who's tired of messes. It covers the entire back seat area and guards against dirt, spills, crumbs, and fur. The material is water-resistant, super durable, and still comfy for passengers. Whether you've got car seats or four-legged friends, this makes cleaning up a total breeze. Thinking of adding one of these to your ride? You know the drill. The links are in the description below. Go explore. Next up, the Nerf bar side steps running boards. These are more than just eye candy. They make entering and exiting your Palisade smoother, especially helpful for kids, older family members, or shorter passengers. But beyond practicality, they just look tough. The brushed metal finish gives your SUV a bolder, more rugged appearance. Function and form? Yes, please. Then comes the Windshield sunshade, a must-have for anyone living somewhere sunny. This isn't your average flimsy fold-up. It's custom fit, blocks intense UV rays, and keeps your car cool even after hours in the sun. It protects your dashboard from fading and cracking while making sure your steering wheel doesn't turn into a frying pan. Hot days just got easier. Let's get into one of the most practical accessories on this list, the car phone holder. Whether you're using GPS, changing music, or taking hands-free calls, this keeps your phone right where you need it. It clamps securely without wobbling, adjusts to most smartphones, and won't block your view. It's a simple upgrade, but once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever drove without it. Want a dash of class inside your Palisade? The aluminum alloy gear control knob cover has you covered. This sleek cover fits snugly over your gear knob and adds a bit of metallic shine that instantly makes the cabin feel more upscale. It's got that smooth, brushed finish that feels great to touch and is built to last. Just one small detail, and yet it makes a big impact on the overall vibe inside your car. If you've made it this far and you're eyeing something for your ride, hit the links in the description to grab your favorites. Time to level up that Palisade. Now, here's one you'll really appreciate over time. Door sill protectors. You know those scuffs and scratches that show up from people stepping in and out? These protectors stop that from happening. Not only are they practical, but they also add a custom, finished look every time you open your doors. Easy to install, easy to clean, and very easy on the eyes. And if bold style is your thing, then check out the carbon fiber side door mirror molding trim. It gives your mirrors a high-performance look with a glossy finish that screams premium. Carbon fiber is strong, sleek, and sporty, and with these on, your Palisade instantly stands out. Plus, they offer scratch resistance, so they're as tough as they are stylish. With these accessories, you're not just driving a Palisade, you're personalizing it, protecting it, and leveling it up in every way. From smart interior upgrades to sleek exterior enhancements, this list has something for every driver. Want to grab any of these? Don't scroll too far. The links are all waiting for you down in the description. And hey, if you enjoyed this guide, do me a favor. Give it a like, share it with your fellow Palisade fans, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome car content, tips, and product recommendations. Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next one.